Now, let's do condition B. There is less sodium inside the cell than outside. The osmolarity for the sodium is lower. I still have no idea what the total osmolarity is. So the water will move from the cell into the solution. Because water moves from a low solute concentration to a high. The cell will eventually shrivel. So, let's go backwards. All right, only the water's moving. For condition B, there's less sodium inside the cell than outside. That means the osmolarity just for sodium is lower inside the cell. We have a lower sodium concentration inside the cell than out. The total osmolarity is still unknown. The water will move from the cell into the solution, right? Because water moves from an area of low solute concentration to an area of high solute concentration. So that's the direction it's going to move. Then the cell, after losing too much water, cannot maintain its nice round or oblong shape, whatever it is. It will eventually collapse onto itself and shrivel up. In 100B, we use plants to show this because the cell wall stays intact and the actual cell inside the cell wall shrivels, and you can see it's stuck all the way to the side, or sometimes it sticks in the middle. So the cell wall stays as this little rectangle, and then everything's just totally stuck in on itself. All right, so going back to this, which one is hypertonic? Is the cell hyper or hypotonic relative to the solution?
Hyper.
So the cell has lower sodium, so it's hypotonic relative to solution. And that means the solution is hyper to the cell. So when I give you this question on an exam, and you will see it on an exam, sometimes it's in an essay and you can choose not to answer it. But assuming you get to this and you choose to answer it, you need to always put it in context. You need to always tell me relative to what. And if you know that you have to do that, it makes it less likely that you will answer the question wrong. Because if you forget that step, it's really easy to just twist things around in your head and answer it backwards. If you always put it in context of which one is bigger and which one is smaller, you're more likely to answer the question correctly. At least I am. It's, for me, anything that I have to think about, if I don't write out all the steps, I will miss one and do it backwards. Okay, so isotonic would mean that there would be no net movement, right? If you guys have the same, so condition C is, let me take a picture of this. We'll do condition C.